All right, boys and girls, so here I'm going to show you how to understand this very colorful calendar. So as you can see, this calendar is from January 11th all the way to the end of the quarter, which is January 28th. I've tried my best to color coordinate it to help you guys understand on what days you have to be doing the work. Obviously, the days that you're doing work are when you're not at Monroe. So let's say, for example, that I'm group B. B as in blue. So when it is outlined in blue, those are the days that you're going to have work to do. So if it's Monday the 11th, I would click here and it would bring up my assignment. The 14th, the 21st, the 25th, and the 28th. Now these obviously the red is for group A, and that's when the group B would actually be in school. But on these Wednesdays, I know this might be a little bit confusing with a couple of our days off of school. But Wednesday, the 13th, is an asynchronous day. So that's where the assignment will be posted at 8 a.m. for you to complete. The 20th and 27th, those will be live streamed classes where you will have 25 minutes like we're doing during when we were full remote, where you had each class for 25 minutes and then you finished up at 1:30, and then obviously for your coursework from 2 to 3. So hopefully this short video helped you out in understanding this calendar here. Let Mr. Lalonde know if you got any other questions, and I hope you all have a great day. Go Eagles.